Today's video is going to be absolutely revolting. Good morning, YouTubers. Geezer here. Today's the day we put a new battery in Classy. So the first thing we have to do, of course, is pull the old one out. I want to just get right to it because I need time to charge this battery in between now and when I put it in. So here we go. First thing I want to do is get some good pictures of what everything looks like under there, in case I have to refer back to it. Looks like just 2 wires back here, and looks like 4 up here. This is a group 24. I'm going to try to get a 27 in here. This pushes back and gives me some more room. So I'm going to take a look and see if I can get a 27 in here, give us a little more battery. Okay, we're back, and just in that little bit of time, clouds have rolled in, winds picked up, it's dropped 15 degrees in temperature. It's kind of cold and miserable out here, but we got all the stuff, so let's get started and get this battery put in. Need to clean these cable ends up. I just had these tied back out of the way while we got the other one out. I just got a little piece of sandpaper here and just work these over a little bit. Okay, we got those as good as they're going to get. Let's throw this bad boy in. Well, that certainly sucked. After about 20 minutes trying to pack that group 27 down in there, it occurred to me it just wasn't going to go. So I've just returned from Walmart with the smaller 24 like the one that was in it, and it's all good. It's in there, it's hooked up. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to charge this one before I put it in there, but when we get to the campground, I'll be able to plug it in and charge it up. I'm trying to get you someplace where there's not any wind, but it's kind of hard to find. That wind is just vicious out here. I ended up just getting in the van to get away from that wind. It's just blowing up a storm out there. In the next couple days, I'm going to do a video update of what's going on here with the trip and with the Geezer gang, and I've got some news. It's not good news. The trip's still on, but there's some changes. Our camping trip that we're going to leave on tomorrow, it's kind of up in the air. Lucy had a tooth extracted, and she's having a lot of trouble with that. She's in a lot of pain, and it just wouldn't be fun and probably not productive, so we're going to put it off and see how that goes. Well, I think I'm just going to pick up my toys and put them away and go home, see if there's anything I can do for Lucy to make her feel better. She's really not doing well with that. But if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. Trip's still on. We're going. You might as well subscribe to the channel and come along with us. Leave a comment down below. Give us the old thumbs up, thumbs down if that's your choice. Join the Facebook group. There'll be a link down in the video description. And yeah, I think that's it for this time. So from the entire Geezer gang, until next time, happy trails.